What's up, you guys? In this video, we're going to show you how to wire up your fuel pump trigger wires. We get this question asked a lot, so we wanted to make a video to show you guys exactly how it's done. So there's a couple of options when it comes to triggering your fuel pump. It depends on your tuner, your power levels, and your setup. The first option is going to be to trigger it through your fpdm wire, and the second option is going to be to add in a Hobbs switch with that. So you want to locate your OEM fuel connector that's located in your hat. So let's see here. I'm going to pop this off. Here we're using a 2013 Mustang GT, which is going to be on the driver's side rear seat. All 11 and up GTs are going to be the exact same setup as this. Once you've located the connector, you're going to want to peel back the loom and locate the fpdm wire, which in all 11 and up GTs is going to be the yellow wire with the gray line running through it. Again, we're using a 2013 model. Like I said, all 11 and up are going to be the exact same. If you're using a different model, you can reference the chart that we have on our fuel system FAQ page, and that's going to tell you what color wire you're looking for. Let's start with using just the key as the trigger. So once you locate the actual wire that you're going to be using, you're going to cut it right down here. The wire that goes into the connector is going to be left alone, and the piece of the wire that goes into the harness is what we're going to be working with. Whether you're using our dual or triple pump harness, you're going to wire the blue wires into the fpdm wire. This is what's going to trigger the relays once the key's turned on. If you're using the box from divisionx, you're going to be using the green and the yellow wires. If you're going to be running just 2 pumps, you're going to use the yellow wire, and if you're going to be using 3 pumps, you're going to use both the yellow and the green wire. Now, what if you're using a Hobbs switch with your 3rd pump? If you're using our triple pump harness setup, you're going to want to cut one of the blue wires, because that's where you're going to run your Hobbs switch in. You're going to run your Hobbs switch in line, then connect the other end of the Hobbs switch along with the other 2 wires to your fpdm wire. Your Hobbs switch is going to activate once it hits 5 psi. If you're using the box from divisionx, you're going to use the yellow wire for 2 pumps, and the green wire is what you're going to use for the Hobbs switch. Same thing. You're going to wire the Hobbs switch in line, and then you're going to connect the Hobbs switch and the yellow wire to your fpdm wire for everything to trigger correctly. That's it. Now you can finish installing your fuel system and get your car back on the road. If you have any other questions, please give us a call. Be prepared for a lot of mess ups. That's fine. What's up, you guys? In this video, we're going to show you how to wire up your fuel pump sensor. There's a couple of options when it comes to triggering your fuel pump. You can do it through the factory FDPDM, or it's FPDM. So there's a couple of options when it comes to triggering your fuel pump. Why am I saying your fuel pump wire? So there's a couple of options when it comes to... That was great. Now what if you're using a Hobbs switch to trigger the 3rd pump? You're still going to want to find your trigger wire. The 2... Man. You're going to cut one, put the... Yeah. You're just putting the inline? Yeah. So stupid. Why is it like it's... I feel like I'm reading this back and forth and it's still not. If you're using our triple pump harness returns... What am I saying, bro? If you're using our triple pump harness setup, you're going to be wanting... Christy. Is that good?
There you go. Thank you.
I think he said that's good.